So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Bank of America put options here in Canada, ticker symbol BAC here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple opened up, go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass. Now if you're on the Discover screen right here, first off what you can do is go to the top and press on the search bar and type in ticker symbol BAC for Bank of America. Two options down it says options right here. Press on that, then press on where it says buy, and then go to where it says options right here. Now another way you can do this as well, you can exit out of this, go back to the Discover screen right here, and where it says options highlighted. So for me right now, if it's on stocks, we can go ahead and press on options. So under most active symbols, press on where it says more and just scroll down until you come across Bank of America. Press on that right there. And now you're here. So now if you wanted to buy Bank of America put options here in Canada, go to the top where it says I believe that BAC will rise by. Press on rise, press on where it says put option right here. And now it should say BAC will fall by. And to change the expiry date, press on the expiry date right here and then change it to whatever you guys want. Now, if you wanted to buy a strike price of whatever, just go ahead and scroll either out of the money or in the money. So if you wanted to go, in the money for $29 USD strike price, you can go ahead and press on that right there. And to secure this purchase, go to the bottom and press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Bank of America put options here in Canada, ticker symbol BAC here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.